Hi everyone! Today's topic is all about uniform circular motion. It is when a particle moves in a circle with a constant speed. Uniform circular motion is when a particle moves in a circle with a constant speed. Let's go over some general information about motion in a circle. When a particle moves along a curved path, the direction of its velocity changes. The particle must have a component of acceleration perpendicular to the path, even if its speed is constant. Velocity changes. To better understand these concepts, let's take a look at this figure. When a particle in uniform circular motion moves, the velocity of each point is outward, and the acceleration is toward the center, and it is called centripetal acceleration.
In uniform circular motion, we have two minor formulas. F is equals to 1 over T, and T is equals to 1 over F. F stands for frequency and T for period. The three major formulas are A is equals to 2 pi square R over T. A is for acceleration, R for radius, and T for period. For velocity, V is equals to 2 pi R over T. And another formula for acceleration was A is equals to 4 pi square R over T square. In a carnival ride, the passengers travel at constant speed in a circle of radius 5.0 meters. They make one complete circle in 4 seconds. What is their acceleration?
In example A, we have a given 5 meter, that it is the radius, and we have a given 4 seconds for the time. So we are finding the acceleration. The formula for the acceleration is this. So we don't have yet the velocity. So now we will find the velocity, and this is its formula. This is it. And now we will substitute our given to our formula like this. 10.9 meter per second squared over 4 meter. And the answer is 12 meter.
For example B, a Ferris wheel with a radius of 14 meters is turning at an horizontal axis through its center. The linear speed on the rim is constant and equal to 7 meters per second. We want to find out what are the magnitude and direction of the passenger's acceleration as she passes through A. The lowest point in her circular motion, B. The highest point in her circular motion, and C. How much time does it take to make one revolution? For example B, given were radius of 14 meters and velocity of 7 meters per second. The what being asked is time. To get the time, we have the formula of velocity is equal to 2 pi radius over time. If we're gonna manipulate this one and use cross multiplication, we're gonna get the formula of time is equal to 2 pi radius over velocity. And substitute all the given information in the given formula. Time will be equal to 2 pi radius of 14 meters